Hello friends, my name is Arpit Khandelwal. I'm an engineering gold medalist who graduated from Shri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth back in the summer of 2005 from Information Technology branch. I'm presently working as the Senior Vice President Engineering at Systango Technologies and have been fortunate to have worked with different senior management roles in my short career of 16 years so far. I profoundly would like to share that Genesis is an important word, and I must say, Shri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth is one place where it all started for me. Graduation was just a certificate, but the journey that made us capable of going that one extra mile can't be summarized in few words. Apart from lecture rooms, labs, or any international level infrastructure we could have asked for, our mentors and Shri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth's vision to enable its student with industry level capabilities made the difference. It's been 16 years since I am working for an industry where knowledge and discipline towards profession is an essence. When I reflect on my 4 years in Shri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth, I conclude that the experience not only made me a better software programmer, but also prepared me in unpredictable ways for my career. Through workshops with incredibly supporting classmates and professors who were nothing short of champions, I was challenged to discover a voice and an aspect related to creative thinking I didn't know I had. That voice has played a central role in my work and creative thinking, as well as since it is vital to planning, imagination, to communication, to engagement, and to execution of large-sized projects. Having been shaped in part by the collegial and creative yet rigorous environment at Shri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth, I found myself able to communicate, innovate, and collaborate in ways that enabled me to build a successful career in software consulting practice, and eventually to find a rewarding position in esteemed organizations across the globe. In my current role as the SVP Engineering, I work with various startups and their CEOs, with their CTOs, their VP of Engineering, and with the broader community. And I draw every day on the dispositions I developed during my time at Shri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth. It was a wonderful time in my life and the best educational experience I've had. I am a proud alumni of Shri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth and sincerely thank my mentors for their selfless efforts and the university for giving all of us a platform of academic excellence.